I am recording the video and today's topic is delegates. A delegate is a type that represents reference to method with a particular parameter list and return type. When you initiate a delegate, you can associate its instance with any method with a compatible signature and return type. You can invoke or call the method through the delegate instance. Delegates are used to pass methods as arguments to other methods. Event handler are nothing more than methods that are invoked through delegates. You create a custom method and a class such as a window control can call your method when a certain event occurs. The following example shows a delegate declaration. Public delegate int perform calculations int x int y. Any method from any accessible class or struct that matches the delegate type can be assigned to the delegate. The method can be either static or an instance method. The flexibility means you can programmatically change method calls or plug new code into existing classes. Note: in the context of method overloading, the signature of a method does not include the return value, but in the context of delegates, the signature does includes the return value. In other words, a method must have the same return type as the delegate. This ability to refer to a method as a parameter makes delegates ideal for defining callback methods. You can write a method that compares two objects in your application. That method can be used in delegate for a sort algorithm. Because the comparison code is separate from the library, the sort method can be more general. Function pointer were added to C# 9 for similar scenarios where you need more control over the calling convention. The code associated with the delegate is invoked using a virtual method added to a delegate type. Using function pointers, you can specify different convention. Delegates overview. Delegates have the following properties. First, delegates are similar to C++ function pointer, but delegates are fully object oriented and unlike C++ pointer to member functions. Delegates encapsulate both an object instance and a method. Second, delegates allow methods to be passed as a parameter. Third, delegates can be used to define callback methods. Fourth, delegates can be chained together. For example, multiple methods can be called on a single event. Fifth, methods don't have to match the delegate type exactly. Sixth, lambda expressions are a more concise way of writing inline code blocks. Lambda expressions are compiled to delegate type. A delegate is an object which refers to a method, or you can say it is a reference type variable that can hold a reference to the methods. Delegates in C# are similar to the function pointer in C++. It provides a way which tells which method is to be called when an event is triggered. For example, if you click a button on a form, the program would call a specific method. In a simple words, It is a type that represent reference to method with a particular parameter list and return type, and then calls the method in a program for execution when it's needed. Important point about delegates: provides a good way to encapsulate the method. Delegates are the library class in system namespace. These are the type safe pointer of any method. Delegates are mainly used in implementing the callback methods and events. Delegates can be chained together as two or more methods can be called on a single event. It doesn't care about the class of the object that it references. Delegates can also be used in anonymous method invocation. Anonymous method C# 2.0 and lambda expression C# 3.0 are compiled to delegate types in a certain context. Sometimes these features together are known as anonymous function. A delegate is a type safe function pointer that can a reference method that has the same signature as that over of the delegate. You can take advantage of delegates in C# to implement events and callback methods. A multicast delegate is one that can point to one or more methods that have identical signatures. Understanding delegates in C#. In essence, a delegate holds a reference to a method and also to the target object on which the method should be called. Delegates in C# are similar to function pointer in C++, but C# delegates are type safe. You can pass method as a parameter to a delegate to allow the delegates to point the method. Delegates are used to define callback methods and implement event handling, and they are declared using the delegate keyword. You can declare a delegate that can appear on its or even nested inside a class. Delegates are ideally suited to implement event driven programming. A delegate doesn't need to know the class of the object to which it refers. All it needs to know is the signature of the method to which it would point. Proper usage of delegates can promote reusability in your code and flexibility in your design. Remember, multicasting of delegates should have a return type of void, otherwise it will throw a runtime exception. Also, the multitasking of delegate will return the value only from the last method added in the multicast, although the other method will be executed successfully. Thank you.